Welcome to day 4 of our course. Today we are diving into the components of a multimedia system. By the end of this session, we will have a clearer understanding of how hardware, software, and networks come together to deliver rich multimedia experiences. A multimedia system is one that combines various content forms like text, images, audio, video, and animation into a unified experience. We encounter these systems in education, entertainment, simulations, and advertising. These systems must support real time playback and interactive features to be effective. Let's explore the key features. A multimedia system handles multiple types of input and output. It supports real-time playback and media synchronization. Most importantly, it enables interactive engagement, which enhances user experience and retention. Now let's look at the hardware components. These include the devices that let us input data, process it, store it, and finally present it to users. A robust multimedia system needs to be efficiently handle all four aspects. To begin with input devices, these are the tools we use to capture or input content, keyboards for text, scanners and cameras for images, microphones for sound, and touch screens for direct interaction. They are the first step in any multimedia creation process. Once content is captured, processing comes into play. CPUs manage general tasks while GPUs accelerate graphics heavy operations. For storage, we rely on devices like hard drives and SSDs or even cloud platforms to keep our media safe and accessible. Output devices bring our content to life. Monitors and projectors handle visuals, while speakers and headphones provide audio output. Printers also play a role when we need to create physical media like posters or brochures. Hardware is only the half picture. On the software side, we have operating systems that manage resources, authoring tools to create content, editing software to refine it, and codecs to compress and decode it efficiently. For content creation, we use softwares like Adobe Animate or PowerPoint for authoring. Tools like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Audacity help us edit images, videos, and audio respectively. These tools give us the creative control we need to craft compelling multimedia. Codecs are essential. They encode and decode multimedia data, making it suitable for storage or transmission. We often use media players like VLC or QuickTime to play the content on various platforms and devices. A media system isn't just a collection of components, it's an integrated ecosystem. We use APIs and middleware to ensure communication between hardware and software, enabling smooth synchronization of sound, video, and interaction. Media today is often delivered over the internet. Streaming platforms, cloud storage, and CDNs help us distribute content efficiently. Protocols like RTMP and HLS make real-time delivery possible even across the globe. Let's consider some real-world systems. YouTube is a prime example of a multimedia system combining all these elements. Adobe Creative Cloud offers a suite of tools for media creation, while gaming consoles showcase real-time interactive media at its finest. Now it's time to put theory into practice. Let's identify real-world hardware and software components around us. This table lists some of these. We will take 10 minutes to fill in a few more examples based on what we use daily. To summarize, multimedia systems are complex but fascinating. We explored both hardware and software components, their roles, and how they interact. The key takeaways: successful multimedia systems are well integrated, interactive, and optimized for real time performance. Before we wrap up, let's test our understanding. We will go through a few quick questions as a recap. Let's answer them together and reflect on what we have learned today. Thank you for your attention.